Hello everyone, welcome to blockchain tutorial series. My name is Vivian. So as a continuation to the previous video, we are creating our first smart contract, and the example that we're gonna build on is a bank. So as you can see over here, we've started building that, and we've taken two functions over here. One is get balance, where the user can actually view his balance, and then the second function is withdraw. So in this, I've defined a function withdraw, and the entity that I'm going to give over here is amount, and its type would be int over here. So I'm going to put it public, and the function it's going to perform is whenever you are withdrawing, you need a deduction from your account, from your amount that you have in your balance, right? So simple. So it would be bal equals balance minus your amount that the user enters. This would be for it. And once I'm done with this as well, I'm going to write the next function, that is function deposit. Okay, and in the same thing, uh, int the type of it and the amount. Okay, and I'm gonna give it public. Okay, so now what happens if you deposit, which means that you're adding it. Simple, bal equals balance plus amount. All right, so as you can see over here, um, the first function is used to get the balance, and the second function is used to withdraw it, and the third function is to deposit it. Okay, and so yeah, in the first function, the reason we have used view over here is in this these two, the withdraw and the deposit, are both of these are used are performing an action, right? Whereas get balance is not performing any sort of action, only the user can see the balance, so that's why we use view over here. And once this is all done, and what it returns, this actually returns int. What is the type of it? What does it return? It returns a number, right? So it is int. So yeah, so once this is also done, so all right, so pragma solidity, the moment we place start compile. Okay, so we have an error over here, that is all right. So the parts that are expected. Okay, let's change the compiler version over here. Let's give it say 10, because it usually changes. Not yet loaded. Okay, oh sorry, returns. um, let's compile it now. So yeah, okay, and it must be compiled right now. The error is rectified over here. Yeah, and as you can see, our contract is compiled right now. So let's check it out. How does it actually run on? Let's not on injected web, let's run it on Java VM. And so the moment I run it on this, on a local thing, I want to click deploy over here, and as you can see, our contract has been deployed over here. The moment I click on this, I'll be getting three functions as I've mentioned in my contract. That is, one is the deposit, and the other one is withdraw, and the other one is get balance. So first I'm going to deposit say 100 in this, and I'm going to click on deposit. As you can see, the moment I clicked on deposit, I can see the transaction is happening. Um, right, and you can, if you debug this thing, you'll get everything. What is there are the transaction cost, the hash value of it, the hash function of it, and now I'm going to check the balance. How? And the balance is 101, because I already have one in my account, right? So the balance is 101, and now I'm going to withdraw 101. Okay, now I'm going to click on withdraw, and as you can see, the moment I clicked on, cursor just went up. Yeah, as you can see over, uh, the entire transaction is actually happening over here, and the moment I click on get balance, I can see the amount is 0. So that's how you actually build your first smart contract. And in the next video, we're going to discuss about how do you actually, how do you deploy, and how these three functions, that is the deposit, withdraw, and get balance, work on an injected web.